Hello and welcome to Wiise. In this video, you will see an overview of our manufacturing module for any business that needs more than the assembly and kitting capabilities in the business package of Wiise. You'll understand what's available in the premium package of Wiise to deliver a more comprehensive view of your manufacturing. See your business clearly with Wiise. First, Wiise allows you to define material design through the production bill of materials. A bill of materials, commonly known as a BOM, is a listing of all the sub-assemblies, parts, and raw materials that go into a parent item. Production BOMs manage the material requirement of production exclusively. This is combined with a production routing. The routings form the basis for production planning and control. Routings include detailed information about the method of manufacturing of a particular item. These are the resources that are used within the production routing and are called work and machine centers. The work center is in essence a workstation within the production process. A machine center is the machinery and resources used at that workstation. Here we can manage capacities, availability, and schedule production activities based on a shop calendar. The first physical activity in a production process is to prepare the materials that are to be processed in the production operations. This is through the planning of production orders and management of component availability. Wiise has various stages of production order planning to simulate quoting and costing, specify information about a product that you expect to produce, and act as a placeholder in the planning schedule. Finally, when materials have been issued, the actual production operations can start and then be executed in the sequence defined by the production order routing. An important part of executing production, from a system point of view, is posting production output to the database to report progress and to update inventory with the finished items. Wiise utilizes the release production order and the production journal to coordinate the consumption of resources and materials to result in an accurate measurement of output, along with scrap and wastage. Wiise has all of this, plus the capability to run your master production schedule, MPS, and material requirements planning, MRP, on a batch level utilizing a production forecast. With Wiise, you can see a more complete picture of your manufacturing business. Find out what else you can achieve with Wiise.